MDB stock analysis tomorrow and onward. In this 1-minute video, I'm telling you whether Mongodb stock is a buy or not for me, so watch till the end. I've been in the market for 5 years. Just over context, I've done 41,000 videos, so I have clearly seen, it's all on my YouTube channel documented, what's working for me and what's not. Especially MDB, the most recent prediction was a sell side, and not only did we like clear the lows out, now it's back up at the exact same level. Here, just in front of your eyes, is my idea 2 months ago that was made. Not even trying to lie, like this is exactly what I wanted to see the price happen. It went even a little bit up and then it did its thing. But all that to say is that I'm looking at MDB and I'm just not saying this is bullish whatsoever. Actually, quite the opposite. Just the likelihood that this thing keeps melting down is high, very high. I mark down the lows as well here. So if I don't see any sort of shift in a double break, then I'm obviously not selling. If you want to learn how I make hypothetical trading, click the first link in the description and get my free emails.